Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to increase the free space on your iPhone by deleting the other storage, the system storage, and also the iCloud storage. So also get more storage on your iCloud. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see that when you get a new iPhone, so let's say you buy a 64 gig iPhone, you know that not all those gigabytes are available to you to use. A lot of those will be already in use by system files and all that. Now, of course, you can never clear all that because there is the operating system and other stuff that iOS has to use space for, but of course you can reduce the amount of space that stuff takes up on your device. So you go to settings, you go to general, you go to iPhone storage, and right here it will load the storage and all the apps that are taking up space on your device. And if you scroll down right here, you will see system and other. So these are two things that will take a lot of space on your device. But of course you can reduce that by applying a few different things that I'm about to show you guys. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about how to reduce the space that other files take on your iPhone. That's the part that says other, and probably have quite a few gigs there that are taking space on your device. Of course, you want to free up as much as you can there. Let's start off with Siri. So if you go to Siri and search under settings, of course, and go to Siri voice, you will have, like here for English, I have different accents. Each accent has to be downloaded and that file will be saved on the device, and it's quite big. So I have American here and Australian. That one, the Australian one, takes like 500, 400 and some megabytes. If you have downloaded all these, probably will take on your device like 2 or 3 gigs. So what you need to do is, of course, the ones that you don't use, just go ahead and remove them from your device. Now, to remove these after you have downloaded them, go back to the main page of settings and go to accessibility, go to spoken content, and go to voices. Now you will find here a lot of different like languages. Just go ahead, go to English, and then you will find here, let's say I want to delete the Australian one, just go to English Australian, and we have Siri female. If I go here, you can see it's using 486 megabytes. What I need to do is, of course, just go ahead and delete this, click on the edit button, click right there, click delete, and it's done. It will be removed from the device. So as easy as that, you will be able to save that space on your device. So you can see right now it's not downloaded, so you cannot go there. Basically, you will have to re-download it if you want to use it. Another app that will use a lot of that other storage is Safari. Of course, Safari, history, and the website data. So go to settings, go to Safari, and here you will find clear history and website data, and you can clear all them directly from here. But what I suggest you do is go back and just go to general, go to iPhone storage, and just find Safari here. So let me just find Safari real quick. So here it is, Safari, and here we'll see like more details. You can see website data. There are 205 megabytes currently on my device, and I clear the history pretty often. So we have here history, website data, and this one right here, offline reading list. You might also have data here that is taking up space on your storage, so you can clear that as well. So if I want to clear the website data, just go here and it will show me a list of different websites that have data stored on my iPhone, and I can of course tap edit there, and I can go ahead and clear any of them. Just click there and you will be able to delete them from here. But of course, you can also go ahead and remove all of them. Just tap this button and remove all the website data from your device, as easy as that. So basically, website data won't take any more space on your device, and that's really cool because all that will be stored on that other section of the storage on your iPhone. The next thing you can do to make more space on your iPhone is, of course, clear the messages data. So on your iMessage app, of course, you receive messages that have stickers, pictures, or even videos, and they will take a ton of space on your device. Now, what I suggest you do is go ahead, go to settings, go to messages, and here we'll find keep messages. Right here, we'll have the option to choose to keep messages for 30 days, a year, or even forever, but that will make sure that you will have those messages there just taking up space on your device and never be deleted. If you choose 30 days, all the messages older than 30 days will be automatically deleted. That of course will free up more space on your device, because of course if someone sends you like a lot of pictures, big videos, they will take a ton of space. So what I also suggest you do is go back and go to general here, go to iPhone storage and just find the messages. So let me just find it. Okay, here we have messages, and here we'll see all the stuff that is taking up space on your device. That's on the Messages app. So you will have GIFs and stickers. You can see the stickers right here. You will have videos as well as photos. All of them will be right here. What you can do is go ahead and delete any of them from here. So just basically the attachments, the videos, the photos can be deleted from here. So if I go to videos, just go ahead, click there, and or just click edit. You can select any one of them you want and delete them directly from here without even having to delete the complete message or go to the Messages app and delete the complete conversation. Another app that will take like a ton of space there with all these documents and data, cached files, all that, is the Mail app. So what I suggest you do is first of all go to iPhone storage and see how much space the Mail app is taking on your device. So here I have my Mail app. Let me just find that. So there it is. It's not taking that much, but it might be more in your case. So what I suggest you do is go ahead and go to your account. So just swipe down here, passwords and account, find your email account there and delete the account from your device. So what you can do here is just go ahead, delete the account, and then right after go ahead and add the account again, just like normally you do, and that will take out all the trash files from the Mail app. Just remove the account and then go ahead and log in again. If I go to my iPhone storage right here, you can see I have the podcast app there. It's taking up quite a lot of space with data here. So you can see 62 megabytes, and I don't have any podcast episodes downloaded on my device. You can see there all that document and data. If I go to podcasts, let's go to library here. Let me go to downloaded episodes, and you can see no downloaded episodes at all. What I suggest you do here is just delete the podcast app and then reinstall it again. That way you'll make sure that you will delete all this unnecessary data. Now, all of the apps on your device, some of them more, some of them less, will have data saved on that section of your device. So what I suggest you do is, of course, take a look at your device and the apps that you don't actually need and go ahead and remove those apps from the device. Just basically delete them, not upload them. That way it will delete the app, but it will keep the data, but delete them completely from your device. I'm pretty sure most of us, if not all of us, have a ton of apps on our devices that we install but are not actually using them every day, or maybe not using them even ever. So go ahead and delete any unnecessary apps that you might have stored on your device. And of course, if nothing helps, if your device is always just running out of data, the last option you can do is restore your device. That way it will clear all the junk files, and of course your device will be fresh and will have more free storage for you. So of course that's basically the last option you want to do, but if you don't have any other choice, you can go ahead and do that. Now let's talk about the system storage. Now this is more tricky. You can't really do anything to clear that. One thing you can do that I have seen is that you can go ahead and just by taking a look here at the system storage, those are system files. Most of the time, if you have like a lot of space there, that means that you have an update downloaded on your device but not installed, like a software update. So if you get like an update on your device, the iPhone will download it automatically but won't install it automatically, of course, if you have automatic downloads turned off, automatic updates turned off. That way that will be stored on your device and you might not even know, but that can be big, sometimes maybe 3 or 3.5 gigs, and that's saved under system. So what you need to do is just go ahead, take a look at this list. Normally that should be at the top of the list because that takes a lot of space, and if you find there an update, you can just go ahead and delete it directly from here. Of course, if you don't want to install it on your device, that way you will free a ton of space here from the system storage. And now let's talk about the iCloud storage, how to free up space on your iCloud storage. Now what you need to do is, of course, head on to settings, tap on the iCloud icon that will be at the top of your settings app, and then just go ahead and tap on manage storage. So what you need to do here is just take a look at a few things that are taking up most space on your iCloud. So here on my case, photos are taking the vast majority of the space that I have on my device, so I can of course disable that and delete the pictures from my iCloud, and then I will have like 30 days to download them before they're gone. But if you don't want to do that, you want to keep your pictures on your iCloud, of course you can do that, but then you will have a ton of other things that are storing stuff on your iCloud. So here, for example, is backups. So right here, if you go, you might see like backups that are old, or are like backups of a device that you don't use anymore, you don't need those data. You can of course just go ahead, tap on any backup you want, and just go ahead and delete that backup. So just basically tap right there on the delete button, that backup is gone, and of course you will have more free storage on your iCloud. Then you will have also here the iCloud Drive. Of course, these are things that you have downloaded with the new like download manager of Safari. Now you can download stuff on your iPhone or on your iCloud Drive, and you will see here all the downloads. So tap on the downloads and you will see them here, and of course you will be able to delete any of the downloads directly from here. These are downloads, as I said, that are downloaded on your iCloud account, so that will of course take a lot of space as well. If you have like downloaded large amount of files, like big files and all that, you need to take a look at that. And then you will have of course like other stuff right here. You have like, for example, books. I need to keep that, but here I have like Elegant Note. That's an app that I don't even use anymore, so all I can do is go ahead, just go there and delete all the documents and data of that app. So of course you will find here like apps that you have maybe used a long time ago, you don't need them anymore. You can go ahead and delete all of their data directly from here. So that is it for this video, guys. This is how you can free up space on your iPhone, of course by taking a look at the system and the iCloud storage, and free up a lot of those gigs that are like basically just there occupied by files that you probably don't even need anymore. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video will help you out, free up more storage on your iPhone. So that's it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe for more. I will see you guys on the next one.